Welcome to Speak Better English. Here, learning English becomes fun, simple, and full of confidence. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to speak fluently, this is the right place for you. Every video on this channel is designed to help you speak naturally, express clearly, and sound confident in English. So, grab your earphones, relax, and let's begin your journey to speak better English. Shanaya, the girl who questioned everything. Shanaya was brave, calm, and endlessly curious. She always asked questions that others avoided. Why follow some rules blindly? Why fear things we don't understand? But her family and village didn't like her questioning mind. They thought she was too outspoken for a girl. Slowly, people started avoiding her, and Shanaya felt alone. Even she started doubting herself. Am I wrong? Maybe I am too loud. Maybe they are right and I'm making trouble, she thought. For the first time, fear crept into her heart. She wondered if she should stop asking questions and just stay quiet like everyone else. Then, a small incident changed everything. A neighbor's baby had a tiny mark on the forehead. Whispers spread. It's a tika, nazar, evil eye. Some villagers suggested rituals and charms. Shanaya felt a twinge of fear. She hesitated. What if I'm wrong this time? But then she remembered everything she had learned. She had read, researched, and thought deeply. Taking a deep breath, she stepped forward. This is just a mark, not magic. The child is safe. Care and love matter, not fear. Superstitions like this hurt people, not help them. Her heart pounded, and yes, some laughed, some glared. But for the first time, Shanaya realized that doubts don't make you weak. They make your courage real. She started writing poems and recording videos to explain her thoughts gently. Slowly, people began to listen. Her work reached a local teacher who shared it online. Shanaya learned an important lesson. Even when you doubt yourself, your voice matters. Courage isn't the absence of doubt, it's acting despite it. And so she continued questioning, learning, and sharing, one brave step at a time. Thank you for watching Speak Better English. Remember, learning English isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every single day you practice, you grow a little more confident, a little more fluent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your support helps us reach more learners like you. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep believing in yourself. Because with every word you speak, you're getting closer to speaking better English. See you in the next video.